Hello guys, welcome to Spyro Tech 365. Today I am going to show you how to create a metallic light shining effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start. Created one. You can see that. So we'll create another one. Show you. First of all, we created a sequence and we'll insert a black video. We can make it from here. New item black video. After that, we'll insert the logo. Then we'll apply a lightning effect from effects panel. After that, we'll create a mask here. Then we'll insert a keyframe or max path here. And here. So therefore like this. We'll close the gaps. Here you can see a nice light shining effect has been created. We can change the parameters here or we can remain it as default value. We can add a sound effect here. So that's how we create a metallic light shining animation effect. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro.